Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a ring group in the 3CX Management Console. Log into the 3CX Management Console, click on the Ring Groups tab. Click on the Add Ring Group button. Type in the name here. The virtual extension number is set by default. Set the ring strategy to Ring All. If you want to prioritize which extension gets rung first, you could set it to Prioritized Hunt. The ring time is set to 20 seconds by default, but you can set it to anything you would like. Under Group Members, click on the Add button. Select an extension or extensions from here and click on OK. You could optionally assign a DID number or numbers to receive calls directly to this extension. Set the destination for the call if there's no answer. Click on OK when you're finished. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a ring group in the 3CX Management Console. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX as well as other helpful guides.